Oh my god.
We're in trouble. Hold on, I'm putting on my pants.
Hi guys. Oh no, that was not a good idea. Get off me, you chubby fucker.
I've got you.
I'm gonna kill it.
Keep firing, assholes.
Nice.
I couldn't see where its fucking head was. Its head looked like a
It's hard.
seventh
It's hard to see
appendage.
where it is.
Well, when you set it on fire too, it's just this black thing, and I'm looking for its seventh appendage to shoot.
Give it a try.
Okay.
What if I don't want to give it a try? Did you ever think of that, you skinny bitch? You just ghosted the fuck out of everyone. Can all three of us ride in it?
Now be able to digistruct
No, not until we get a different kind of car. Go three-way.
Okay, fine, I'll drive.
Great. Now head to Sanctuary and find Roland. He'll want to meet the Vault Hunter who stared down.
You know what I love about these guns? Or these cars? Ah, fuck!
What? What do you love about these cars?
Sorry, I can't hear you. I'm doing what I love with these cars.
Where are we supposed to go?
Through the tunnel. Follow the bodies.
That way. This way. This way.
Here?
This way. This
Go,
way.
go.
This way. This way. This way.
That way?
I'm coming to save you.
Thank you.
Stay calm.
That's what I love about these
There's
cars.
something there.
Just making a big fucking mess.
Listen to what he says. He
Whoopsie.
can help us defeat Jack.
Hi.
Whoa!
You might want to get out of the car three-way.
I'm shooting all the...
Yeah! It's like Normandy up in here.
It's like Normandy?
Yeah, let's go. Shut up. Get out of the fucking car.
Okay.
Your dirty sausage dumps won't touch me. Oh, motherfucker, it's a badass psycho. Oh, motherfucker, it's a badass psycho. Oh, motherfucker, it's a badass psycho. God damn it. Fucking die.
They never die, I swear.
Ever.
They're all of them still alive.
What would you do with a badass psycho? What would you do with a badass psycho?
Just gonna take a nap.
No, don't close your eyes. Stay with us.
Don't close your eyes, no. Don't leave us, we need you.
Oh, I got the core.
That's the power core.
Already.
Jack won't
Nice.
destroy Saint.
Ow, dick.
Resistance lost a good man today. But I'm sure Reese would have been happy to know how quickly you wiped out those blood.
Yeah, it ain't done yet, buddy. I mean, it
We're
is a
still-
foregone
still
conclusion,
in
but...
progress. There's a lot of guys down here.
Oh, hi. Get him, woman. Teach him to disrespect your race.
Damn straight. We're going to Sanctuary?
Yep.
The
Oh, and I have
ground.
decided that I will tell you my secret later on. Once you've earned it.
Aw, thanks, buddy. You're a dick.
You're the one Commander Roland was talking about. The one who faced Jack and lived. Look, we need your help bad. But first
Technically,
things
all three
first,
of us
plug
did.
that power core into the shield generator.
Well, okay, here's the thing. When did we actually face him? We faced a robot covered in dynamite.
Wait, were we supposed to do that? Because I removed it on accident.
Yeah. You remove the old core and put the new one in.
Oh, I'm retarded.
Did you guys do it?
Pleasure to meet you.
Yeah.
Clicking on this guy and...
Oh, turn in. So you already did it there.
Boy, I'm glad you showed up.
Penis face.
It's an honor to meet a follower. Let me get the gate for you.
Thanks, buddy. Get the gate.
The resistance has needed somebody
Cool.
like you.
Get the gate.
That'll last us a day or two.
Cool, get the gate.
Roland was supposed to bring us some
the
intel
gate.
on how to stop Jack.
Get the gate.
With him, Miss
Get the
Jessup.
gate.
Stand up straight.
Get the gate.
We got a vault
Get the
hunter
gate.
headed your way.
Get the gate.
We got 3 vault hunters.
Yeah, only one of them counts. They're only looking at Sheba over here. Fuck you, Moon!
It's Scooters! He's back from New Haven.
Roland needs your help. Without you, the Raiders don't stand a chance against Jack. Please find out where Roland's gone. Sanctuary, built on the ruins of the Dahl Corporation's finest interplanetary mining ship. Now the last refuge for thieves, murderers, and outcasts.
Three-way, come to the bar. Three-way, come to the bar.
This is a message to any Crimson Lance left on Pandora.
Oh, you
General
guys found
Knox is
Moxies.
dead, and knowing the Lance, they'll more likely come.
Vault Hunter! How good to see you again.
How the fuck did he get
Thanks
here?
to the thorough drubbing.
Shut up
of
and listen
Liverpool
to him.
Captain Flint. Vault Hunter? Bullymong. Rubbish name, isn't it? I'd like a better
Oh,
one before
sorry.
my own-
Since we killed Captain Flint, he could afford to move out of the ice place.
Yeah, we're being attacked by the motherfucking Moon again.
We are.
Here's
Wait,
Ray.
wait, wait.
Look upon the barkeep with great admiration.
Go stand next to the barkeep. That was a good picture. Alright,
Oh.
there's tits. Okay, good work, everybody. Okay, three-way, come to my location, but do not click on the
I
box.
need weapons.
Come.
I'm lost. Ooh, is that a piano?
Three-way,
I'm playing the piano. What?
three-way, come here.
What?
Come here!
Where are you? I don't know where you are.
The location where I am.
Ah.
And do not clicky on the thingy. Don't open it.
I can't anyway.
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to three-way. Nope. Inside three-way.
Oh.
Three-way. Inside. Okay, stop. Don't. Now this, don't click on it. This, don't click on it. You only get to use this once. The items inside are leveled. So if you click on it now as a level
that's
9,
the golden
yeah,
thing.
that's the golden thing. I clicked on it a little early and then my shit was obsolete pretty quickly. So, leveled items.
Where are guns? Guns? Where's guns?
Talk to Marcus.
Guns.
Talk to Marcus.
See how it says shop?
Oh.
Over here. I got work. I've just got a crate of spanking new Malawan elemental weapons. Wanna help me test them out? Take.
Three-way,
What?
are you coming to the firing range there, sweetheart?
Hold on.
Is your butt burning again? Get some weapons, dude.
No, I'm looking at guns.
Look at guns on your own goddamn time.
I'm starving.
Yeah.
I want to eat your babies. Son, this might sting a bit.
Face! Oh, no, Sternum.
Yeah.
Hey, three-way, what level are you again?
I don't know. 9. Level 9.
Okay. I have something here for you. And I swear to God, after I give it to you, if you complain about anything in this game, I will fucking kill you. I will come to Horsecock, Texas, and I will murder you. Okay?
Now people know where I live.
You've said it a few times already.
Hold on, I'm getting a phone call. Hold on.
You want to see the rifle I have for him?
Sure. Oh wow.
Right?
Nice.
I was using,
That's pretty awesome.
I just made that thing obsolete. My character's level 22, and he just found something better than that level 13 rifle.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's, wow, he's gonna freak out.
And this thing is essentially, it's effectively full auto. Oh, I have an idea. You're hosting, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I will be right back.
Oh, hi there, level 22. Nice. That thing looks sexy. With the blade on it and everything.
Yeah. Can he hear us or what? Is he just muted?
I think he can hear us. He's
Freeway, can you hear us?
muted or something.
Shoot at Flatty if you can hear us. God damn it. Okay, I told him to follow me.
That's so ridiculous.
Let's see, our headshot. Oh, I don't know, I shot twice on that one. Yeah, it's a full auto sniper rifle.
There you are.
You want?
Aye.
You want?
Yes. I would like. It's a. Why is it a rapid fire sniper rifle?
It's a full auto sniper rifle. You want it? How much? How
yes,
much do you want
I
it?
would like.
How much do you want it? Bark like a dog. Bark like a dog.
No.
Oh, okay. I'm
No.
gonna put it back in my stash.
I went to the hospital today. Fuck you. -2 precision skill.
Isn't this gun ridiculous? I love this gun.
That is
Yes.
pretty ridiculous.
Alright, you gotta do something. You gotta do something for my entertainment, and then I'll give you the gun.
I don't know what you want me to do.
It's just... Alright, it's just trade. Get out of the way, woman. We're trying to trade. He's trying to steal it. I don't know who I'm trading with.